This is the chat app we are going to create. Here we have online user section. Here we have available rooms. Each tab represents a user, and if you wonder, I have 3 users here because I have 2 more tabs here. So if I open a new tab, you can see I have 4 users, and it will immediately update the user list. If I close it, yeah, you can see it removed. Let's create a room here. If I click on create room, you can see it will immediately update the page without refreshing. So let's join a room, FIZ. Hello, I'm new here. Hey, I'm new here too. Yeah, and if a third person joined the room, you can see history of the chat. And also we have emojis here. Look. And yeah, this is the app we are going to create. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. I will teach you guys how to create this app after this video. I see you in the next video.